Atlanta, Georgia.
You remember when Will Smith did that on Fresh Prince of Bel-Air?
Oh, yeah.
I'm having my makeup done
She's getting
by
prepped
my stylist. That's
for,
right.
for the funeral. We're gonna get a Ruffle shirt out here in a second.
So I can look like
Someone. Here we
Right
see the
here, we're going
stylist.
with a little. We're
Frederick.
going with mulch today. It's gonna give Rashida a natural look. She's gonna look gorgeous as always, with or without makeup. And it's just gonna give her a natural look on her eye. And then we're gonna highlight it with a color called Arena. It'll just illuminate her eyes just a little bit. And then we're gonna use a little light brush to blend it all in.
And that was your makeup minute with Stephanie and Sheeta. Smith, getting it together. Someone say reflections.
Stupid!
Where did Sheena go?
This must be the homeless corner over here.
Arriving at destination on left.
We're gonna park here.
Look at the line for Gladys night. Chicken and waffles. Oh, that's... I'm not getting good footage here.
Hi, Rashida.
Hi, Stephanie.
Hi, Rashida.
You guys having a good time?
Yes, splendid. We'll be doing better when we get to
Wonderful.
implement our system.
Here's our driver.
Please call me Frederick. Inside
And
joke.
here's me. Bye for now.